Hey, how's it going? It's Harrison here, a music producer, studio owner, and no-code enthusiast. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your blog creation in Notion, making it easier to have consistent content over time and saving you tons of time. If you ever struggled with maintaining regular blog posts, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. How it works with Make, Google Drive, and Notion. It pulls from prompts you want, the prompts that you input into Notion, and generates blog posts from that. It receives the information you provide, and it creates a title, does research, writes the blog, creates the image, and creates either a document or go right to WordPress. Now, the key component to this automation is that at the very end, you'll either have a Google document with the blog post, or you can save it directly to your WordPress, draft it for your next post. In my experience, I would start off with the Google document so you can review the blog posts and iterate it, change it, the prompts based on what it outputs. You just don't want to directly put it to WordPress. Now let's go into the second point. How to do this yourself. First, you want to create a Notion database. Now, I have a Notion database alongside a tutorial and the JSON you can import into Make, but the first thing you want to do is create that database. You need a database in order to send the prompt over into make.com. In the Notion database, you want the prompt, you want the tone, you want the image style, and you want the niche. You also want the title, you want the link, and also a checkbox to make sure it's complete and it doesn't keep duplicating this. After you create the Notion database, you want to go ahead and head to Make Webhook. And not a mail hook, a webhook. Once you make that webhook, you can go back to the template and you can replace the create blog link with the webhook. If I didn't mention this before, I'm super sorry. If you don't want to make this and you want the Notion template and you wanted to do this right now, go ahead into the description below, go to my Gumroad and download the AI blog creation template. After you do the webhook, you want to create another module that searches the Notion database to make sure it pulls the right information. From that, you kind of want to beautify the variables. It's not going to look too neat, might be a little bit confusing, so we're gonna go ahead and set some variables here. And the next thing we're gonna do is have 4 ChatGPT modules. The first one generates the title, the second one generates research, the third one writes the blog, and the fourth one generates the image. Now, in the Notion template, when you create a prompt in the body of the Notion template, you'll see all these prompts that you can use, you can change, you can manipulate, whatever you want. The next thing is you wanna connect your Google Workspace. You wanna first create a doc module. The second is you want to write in the doc module, and the third is you want to attach the image. After that is done, you want to go back into Make, check mark it off, and there you have it. You have your blog. If you go back into Make, you'll see the link there. You can click the link, check out the blog, make sure it's good. At the very end, with a nice little bow on top, you want to make that webhook response. Now, I also included in this the module for WordPress. So after you get this dialed in and you're happy with the blog posts, you can get rid of the Google Doc modules and directly connect WordPress so it drafts those posts. And that's pretty much it. So why is this awesome? The first thing, you can create regular blogs for your business or for another business as well. You can produce tailored ideas and concepts and make sure the tonality is consistent throughout. You can create regular content for another business, for your own business. You can even monetize this if you get this dialed in to what you need it to be. The second thing is consistency. You want to ensure a consistency in tone and style and reach. You want to ensure a high quality standard. The third thing is it saves time and resources. And as a solopreneur, that's what we want to do. Save time, save resources. Automating your blog posts in Notion is absolutely awesome, especially if you can get it dialed and you can integrate it into the systems that you already use. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.